afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So I don't have a PowerPoint. So probably the points that I'm going to discuss, there are 3 points, and it will only have the power if you apply it. So ready that you apply?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is, I'll start with a paper, then with the most powerful or the most valuable paper, that is the currency for life, and finally I will end up with a sandwich. So could you all please take a sheet from your paper? All right. Okay, do as I direct. Okay. Could you please fold it into half, the paper to half? Could you please fold it to half? And tear off a piece from the top right corner. Please make it fast because our time is limited. Fold it into half and tear a piece of paper from the top right. Now you again fold it into half. Again tear from the top right corner. And again fold it into half and tear a piece from the mid portion of the top corner, right? Can you all unfold it?
Mid portion of the
top corner. Now you please unfold it. Can you show it to each other? Is there anybody who has the same pattern? Is there anybody who has the same pattern? Yeah. See, this is what happens when you train. Being trainers, being among a group of trainers, when we deliver training to a bunch of people, see, the same resources, the same paper, the same instructions that we are giving, but finally, how you take it may differ. So that is a fundamental rule that we have to follow as a trainer, that people are different. The second one is something that we have to learn from the, see, what are the basic needs that we need to sustain our life as human being? The basic needs? Food. Okay. Yeah, food, clothes, of course. As he said, we are not our body alone. We have a mind, right? So what are the basic needs for our mind? All those food, shelter, clothes are for our body, right? So for what for our mind?
Knowledge.
Okay, normally one of the science of psychology that we also cover in the Project Dolana area, that is the transaction analysis, says the food for our body or the food for our mind, our psyche is something called the strokes. Or there are positive strokes and there are negative strokes. So whenever, that is a ground rule, whenever we have a chance to say something positive about a person, just give it, you will get it returned. So the final thing, as my time is little, Muthu's hands has been raised. So the final thing that you have to do, a takeaway from this session would be like this. Give stroke to yourself. Just go to a mirror, look at your eyes and say, I love you. Whenever I am in stress, this is one of the magical formula that I do. Go to a mirror, look at our eyes, look exactly to our eyeballs and say, I love you. That can have the magical power to solve anything. Thank you.